Tires 101.
First, you got to place the tires there, and then find the lube. Lube it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You got to lube the tire. Put the lube on the wheel. Make sure the tire is gonna seat when you put air. Finally get some more lube. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Lube the tire. Lube the tire. Hey tire. Oh yeah, make sure which way the tire goes. Outside. By that. There. That was easy. Simple as 1, 2, 3. ABC. You and me. Not to put the air in the tire. I got the valve. And she's ready. He's gonna go ready, pop, 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 pop. Ay, me dolió. Put the air. You gotta put the valve real fast. Okay, we got it. We got it. Check it. 35 pounds. We're good to go.